Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to log into your Grok AI account. Logging into your Grok AI account is an essential step for anyone looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence tools provided by Grok. Whether you are a first-time user or someone who just needs a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through each step clearly and effortlessly, ensuring you can access your account without any hiccups. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to Google by typing www.google.com into the address bar at the top and pressing Enter. This will take you directly to the familiar Google homepage, where you will see the iconic Google search bar prominently displayed in the center. This is where our journey to log into Grok AI truly begins. Now, click into the search bar and type Grok AI, then hit Enter. Doing this action will generate a list of search results related to Grok, which is a diverse suite of tools powered by artificial intelligence. These tools are widely used for boosting productivity, enhancing creativity, and much more. Among the search results, you should see the official Grok website, usually listed near the top. It's important to ensure you click on the legitimate site, which is typically the first or second link. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the Grok homepage. Once you are on the Grok homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a button labeled Sign In. This button is generally quite visible and easy to spot, making your navigation straightforward. Click on Sign In to proceed to the login page where you will enter your credentials. Grok offers several convenient options for signing in. For today's tutorial, we will use the option to log in with Google. This is a secure and time-efficient method, as many of us are already logged into our Google accounts in our browsers. Clicking Login with Google will redirect you to a page where you will need to confirm your Google account information. It's crucial to select the correct account, particularly if you manage multiple Google accounts. This step ensures you're logging in with the right credentials. After selecting your account, follow any additional prompts that may appear to complete the login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your profile picture displayed, usually in the lower left corner of the page. This is a clear indication that you have successfully accessed your Grok AI account and are now ready to utilize the array of powerful tools available. And there you have it, a straightforward and seamless process to access your Grok AI account using Google. This method ensures that you can start working with the tools you need efficiently and without any hassle. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to log into your Grok AI account. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.